All right, so this was fairly simple. I literally just put it through there. Almost impossible to record in a way. So I had a camera. Actually, I do have an extra camera, but I have my exhaust removed. So by the time you see this, I'm gonna do, like I said, I had this stuff done when I first switched to this car. So it's a lot of videos that I got for y'all that it's not getting released till later. But all I did was reach it up there, push the bumper in, have both hands, and I had to use my left hand and reach at the top right here at the same time and pulled it up, and don't have to remove the bumper. That's pretty much it with that. Just gonna make sure this wire isn't touching that exhaust though, because it is really close to the exhaust. What you do it right now and just pull it all the way up. Yeah, it'll go right into the plug-ins. I mean, no need to use any extra wire. And make sure you twist. See how I twisted my wire as well, so nothing will get tangled or bent. So now we can untwist it. So I'm using one hand. And then this light just takes a 10mm. If you watch one of my first videos on this vehicle, which is doing the taillight tint, simple 10mm, and then it's just like something that's, you just push it out, and all the stuff is right here. But no need to show that part. You don't need to do that. Once again, let's make sure this wire is straight all the way up. See if we need to bend it or anything like that. That looks good. Looks good. As long as it's not touching the exhaust or anything, we good. Yep, that'll work. Just going straight up. And you can kind of do it like that too. It'll work. So if your Avalon set up the same way it should be, you can just go by this. So the power wire is below that. This wire right here, which is gonna be your brake wire, I'm gonna assume, because that's the only wire that's left. It's gonna be your brake. The orange wire is your turn signal. And there you go, dynamic turn signal. And we'll just check the brake here in a second. But once again, it's gonna be the same setup on that side. So ground, power, turn signal, brake. So it's gonna be the same exact setup. So the power on that side is the same way. The top one's gonna be the brake, and beside the power is gonna be the turn signal. It's gonna be the same setup. Cars are very, very simple. Electronics is very, very simple. But let me show y'all hook up the brake and just make sure that works, and we're good to go.